Hello, Stamping friends. This is Monica Gibberti with Stamping with Monica, and welcome. This is my Sunday recap. It is a Sunday, July 12th, 2026, and I just wanted to do a quick recap of what I have going on with my classes and what's going on with Stamping Up in my world as well. Okay, first of all, I need to let you know that tomorrow I will not be live doing anything because finally I have a eye doctor's appointment, so they're going to be dilating my eyes, so crafting will be out of the question for tomorrow. I'm working on just to give you an update, I'm working on finalizing my PDF tutorials that I need to send out for the classes that I have going on. And so I will work on them a little bit tonight and tomorrow. And then as soon as it's ready or the PDFs are ready, I'm going to email it to those that's registered for the classes. Okay. What is ending tomorrow? Tomorrow, July 13th. It's ending the Valley in Bloom class to go. This is a free class that you can earn with an order of $75 or more. You will get to receive the supplies to make 2 of each. So I'm showing you 2 of these to make this card. 2 of this card, and they're all fun folds, okay? And then you'll have this fun fold right here. It's like a little present. And then we have this card that I love, that I'm most likely I'm gonna use it in the other classes, but this is a card that goes like this, and then it goes like this, okay? So, and you will receive with your qualifying order, you will receive the supplies to recreate 2 of each. So 4 cards times 2 of each. You will get your half a pack of paper. You will cut your own paper based on the PDF tutorial. You will also receive some half a pack of these embellishments that they go with the suite, and some yardage of this ribbon that we used. So order gets to put in. If you're interested, tomorrow is the deadline. July 13th is the deadline to place the order for the Valley in Bloom class to go. This is a class free with a purchase. I will send you everything that needs to be die cut. That is not included in the bundle. Obviously, the stamping, you will have to do it on your own because you will need the bundle, or you can use whatever you have at home if you don't want to invest in the bundle, okay? And so you get there. Hello, Diana. So tomorrow is the deadline for that. That is July 13th to place your qualifying order of $75 or more. And then what you get with your $75 is the class, the goodie bag. You'll get the PDF tutorial free. You'll get the free monthly PDF tutorial for July. You will also have the opportunity to select the product of the month. It's a stamp set this month, and ask me where I put it. Right here. And if you select this one, you can, with your order, you can add it to your order for $5. And it's a beautiful stamp set. And what you also will receive is a tutorial with 8 different projects for that. Okay, so that is that. I wanted to let you know. Now, on the 15th, we have a deadline to register for my stamp camp for a stitch season. Stamp camp, yes, a stitch season stamp camp. This is one of the cards that I already showed that will be included. Then there will be fun folds, it will be cards, box, tags, a sampler, and also there will be a two-page layout for those of you that would like to scrapbook. If you don't scrapbook, you can use the supplies to make something else, or you can use the supplies to make use it to post your pictures in there and then frame it and use it for the holidays. Okay, the registration closes on the 15th for that. And I have 3 opportunities for you to register. So you can get the class shipped to you for $75, or you can come in person for $70 and enjoy. That will be on July 25th in the afternoon. Or you can register for $68 and come and pick it up, and then you can stamp at your own leisure at home. If you are getting the to-go option, you will have to have the bundle that is included, and it's right here. I should have taken it out. Let me see. I can't find it because I'm working on stuff. So the Stitch Season bundle is needed to finish the projects as designed. I will only die cut whatever is not included in the bundle. So if you need to stamp and die cut, you will have to do that on your own. But the beauty of it is that you can save money. I basically cover the shipping and tax on it. So anytime that somebody registers for a class and I offer the bundle as an add-on, that you get to save. Okay, that is that. And then remember this beautiful class that will be the Violet Dreams. The registration will close on the 18th of this month, and this is another class that you can take in my studio or to go, and this will include 8 projects in total. And because we have the the ephemera pack, you will also make, some cards, you will make 2 of them, some will make two different ones, but a total of 8 projects, and will also include a 3D item. Registration for that closes on the 18th. Class will be on July 25th in my studio in the morning at 10 a.m. What else do you need to, yet again, if you want to register the bundle, you can add the bundle at a saving shipping and tax on that. Okay. This coming week, my online class, the one that we feature online, will be featuring this beautiful suite of products. This is the bundle that we used at the on stage, and I fell in love with it. It's called Moonlit Flora. It is just gorgeous. The paper is gorgeous. There will be embellishments, and then it will be a class with cards and 3D. So follow me this week if you want to see what we come up with our design, and we will be featuring this one. And as usual, I will offer an ordering special for that. Okay, it could be that you register for the class, or you can get it for free with an ordering special. I still need to figure out, but this is what we will be featuring, this beautiful suite of products. And this is the bundle. This is the stamp set. It's called Fern and Flora. Okay, love it. And the dies are over here. I'm using some at the moment, and these are the dies that you can die cut, the stamped image, or just using the dies right here. Let me add these there. Okay, so we're doing that for this week. That is all. Thank you to those that already registered for my classes, that already placed the order to get the qualifying order to get the free Valley in Bloom class, and all the other classes that I have to open for registration. So this is a busy month. I just need to combine, because this catalog is going to be good until the end of August. And yes, a catalog will be August 31st. And we'll still have a lot of stuff in there, plus new online exclusives. So there's a lot of things, and trying to pick and choose what I like the best to show you. And so I hope you'll take advantage of what I show to get you inspired and everything else, okay? That is what I needed to let you know. Quick and easy. I will put this video in my email that I will send out with the recap of everything that you can subscribe to or get the class for free with an order, okay? That is all. And hello, Leanne. Thank you for joining us. If you're watching, let us know where you're watching. And if you're watching the replay, let me know. It's always nice to see that people are stopping by my channel. And so, yes, the Sunday evening is my recap of what it's ending, what's coming up, and a little bit of a review of the classes that I have going on. In the Stampin' Up world, I can tell you that we have a new foil. It's called the Stamping Hot Foiling System. I showed you, there's a video, I showed you how to use it. And I can show you the sample. You should see my working area here. It's just a crazy place. Yes, this is one of the projects that I showed you. Basically, the system will apply foiling to your card. And we have a variety of bundles that you can use and stamp set that coordinates with the foiling. So if you have another system, so this system works only with our stamping and cutting machine. It doesn't work on the Big Shot or anything else. And so if you already have because this is not new, this is new and improved. What Stampin' Up is launching is a new and improved system. So they did not design this. This is a collaboration with another company. And so we are the first to put it on the market to offer it as the new and improved system, okay? It works only on our die cutting machine. But if you haven't already a foiling system that you're using, because as I said, you can also use our dies, our bundles those are exclusives to Stampin' Up, okay? Those are exclusives to Stampin' Up. So if you're interested, I will put a link to look at the brochure. You can always purchase it. And this is another sample of what I've done. I just barely touched the surface of what you can do with the system. It's just fun. Okay, that is all that I need to let you know. And thank you for stopping by on this Sunday evening. I will see you probably, not tomorrow, as I said, it's Monday. Either Tuesday evening or Wednesday, depending on what my life is going to be. But I'm planning to come on and show you 5 different projects for this week's class to go, okay? And that is all. Thank you so much for stopping by, for watching. If you're watching the replays, as I said, let me know. And I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.